Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Yolov8 and confirming the CLI works. This gives you the trainer and model exports. Next, prepare your dataset in YOLO format with images and matching label files, and split roughly 80/20 so validation runs during training. Create a dataset YAML that points to train and val folders, lists class names, and sets class count. Once done, choose a base model, Yolov8N for speed, Yolov8M for balance, and keep your configs versioned for reproducibility. You kick off training with the YOLO detect train command and explicit parameters. This starts checkpointing to runs/train. Monitor loss curves and MAP in real time using TensorBoard or weights and biases to catch problems early. If validation MAP plateaus, reduce learning rate or increase augmentation. Conversely, raise batch size if GPU allows for stability. Once trained, evaluate best PT on held out images and run inference on a subset to verify precision. You finalize by exporting the best checkpoint to the right format for your target, ONCS, TFLite, or Torch script, and validating exported outputs against the original model to ensure parity. Then, deploy behind a lightweight API or embed on device, and optimize inference with ONCS runtime or TensorRT for lower latency. If performance is poor, first inspect label quality and class balance, then adjust EOU and confidence thresholds. Lastly, retrain with more varied augmentation. A quick sanity check, run detect on 20 samples before full rollout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.